Introducing the WeightCheQ Automatic Check Weigher for pre-rolls. Engineered for the tightest weight tolerances, EMFR weigh cells are mechatronic systems in which precision mechanics, analog and digital electronics, and highly complex signal processing are perfectly coordinated. The aim is to detect and display the most precise measured values within a weighing process. Never give underweighs to customers again, and control your margins like never before with the WeightCheQ.